The concept of the metaverse has captured the imagination of tech enthusiasts and science fiction aficionados for decades. Envisioned as a virtual universe where people can interact, work, and play, the metaverse has been the subject of much anticipation and investment. However, as you can see, the metaverse hadn't quite lived up to its lofty expectations. Today in Suffer's Land, we'll explore some of the reasons why the metaverse has fallen short of its potential thus far. One of the major reasons for the metaverse's slow progress has been technological limitations. Building a fully immersive, interconnected virtual world requires enormous computational power, high speed internet access, and sophisticated hardware. While technology has advanced, it's still not universally accessible. Many people lack the necessary equipment or internet connectivity to fully engage with the metaverse. This technological divide hinders its widespread adoption. For the metaverse to succeed, there needs to be a certain degree of interoperability and standards across platforms and virtual worlds. Currently, various companies and entities are developing their own metaverse ecosystems, often with proprietary standards. This fragmentation makes it challenging for users to seamlessly transition between different virtual spaces, creating a disjointed experience that limits the metaverse's potential. As the metaverse involves the sharing of personal data, interactions, and experiences in a virtual space, privacy and security are paramount. The mishandling of personal information, cyber attacks, and other security breaches pose significant concerns for both users and businesses. Trust issues related to privacy and security have slowed the adoption of the metaverse. Creating compelling and meaningful content within the metaverse is an ongoing challenge. Many virtual spaces lack the depth and richness of the real world. Without engaging content and experiences, users may lose interest and not see the value of the spending time in the metaverse. Developers and creators need to work on delivering experiences that are not only fun but also productive and educational. Sustaining a metaverse ecosystem requires a viable economic model. While some companies have made significant investments, the monetization strategies for the metaverse are still evolving. Virtual real estate, digital assets, and cryptocurrencies are emerging as key components, but their long term sustainability remains uncertain. The metaverse operates in a legal and regulatory gray area. As it becomes a more significant part of people's lives and economies, governments are starting to take an interest. Regulatory challenges regarding taxation, intellectual property, and online behavior need to be addressed to ensure the metaverse's responsible growth. With the metaverse comes a host of ethical and societal concerns. Issues such as addiction, social isolation, and the potential for the metaverse to be used for harmful purposes can be carefully managed. Addressing these concerns is essential for the metaverse to gain broader acceptance. The metaverse's current user experience, including interfaces, navigation, and immersion, often falls short of expectations. To succeed, the metaverse needs to offer a more intuitive, enjoyable, and efficient user experience that can compete with the real world in terms of accessibility and engagement. The metaverse's hype and sky high expectations may have contributed to its perceived failure. When the metaverse doesn't meet these lofty anticipations, disappointment can set in. It's essential to recognize that the metaverse is still in its early stages and achieving its full potential will take time. In conclusion, the metaverse has faced several challenges that have contributed to its perceived failure so far. Despite these challenges, the metaverse concept remains promising, and with continued development, innovation, and investment, it may eventually live up to its full potential as a new and transformative digital frontier.